You know, in life, sometimes when you cheap out, you get exactly what you what you cheap out on. And for my case, I was looking on Amazon. I was tired of paying the $7, $10, $15 that you have to pay for these kind of blades. I found this guy right here. These blades right here. And I thought to myself, they're just blades, right? For $3. And it comes with two for like, I think it was like $4 for this. All right. So I said to myself, it has to be okay. It should be good enough. Well, guess what? This is one of the worst blades you can get. I don't think enough people talk about the bad stuff in barbering. And I'm going to start a series where when I find something like this, stay away. And what is the reason why I say stay away from these blades? One, they really don't cut very well. It's one of those things that it feels like after you've used a blade to do a thing, that's what this blade feels like. After you have used it for a full head shave and it starts getting dull. There's no cutting consistency. And not just that, when I actually started to use it, the first blade fooled me. I thought, man, I got a good blade. Look, I used, and there's a pack of 100, and I used about 50 to really get my hands on to see if these things are worth it. And they're not. The consistency is all over the place. One time you get an okay cutting blade, the next time you get the worst of the worst, almost like you don't even have a blade on your system to shave with. It's just not worth it. It's not worth it for an emergency. It's just not worth buying. I will not leave a link in the description. These guys right here, I'm not saying these are the best. The Personas, or the Dorcos, however we want to call these things. But these guys consistently work way better. Higher quality blade, you could feel it. And you would have to buy this guy, try to use it to appreciate these. Okay, to appreciate this brand, because other than that, this is a no-go. This is a yes. These, I will leave a link in the description. So if you're looking for some blades, buy this one, not this one. I will keep trying to find an affordable substitution for this guy, but for right now, it's still worth your money getting a good set of disposable razors. Unlike this, you guys, whoever this company is, should be ashamed, because the quality of blades are just not good whatsoever. Hopefully that helped you out, guys. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, make sure you, first of all, subscribe, like the video, and share it with people who need to know this information, because there's a lot of us out there. I didn't know that this company right here made crappy blades. Now I know. Now you know. So, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.